Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Thanks for stopping by. Today let's take a look at the Gong RC excavator. This is a 1/50th scale RC excavator. This thing is, it has a lead screw drive system and the main boom, the secondary boom, and the bucket. I'm not sure exactly what it is on the carriage yet. It makes it spin, but it does a fabulous job. We have rubber tracks, and also you get metal tracks with this unit. Right here you can see I'm digging in the pea gravel. It's doing pretty good. I'm not doing it much justice because I'm learning how to drive it. This is my first experience with it in pea gravel, and I'm very new to it. The functionality of it. It is fully proportional. You have, I believe, 8 channels. Don't quote me on that. But you also have variable speeds, so you can go slow or you can go fast with your motions. So I like the nice variation there, so you can go real slow and be intricate, or you can be fast and rammy, whichever you prefer. Anyway, to make this thing move forward, you have the little roller switches on the top of the control. You slide them both inward to go forward, and backward to go backward, or out to go backwards. So if you roll it out toward the edges of the remote, you go backwards, and in to go forward. The left joystick up is to lower the boom, and back is to raise the boom. The right joystick up and down is to raise and lower the secondary boom. And the side-to-side motion on the left joystick spins the carriage, and the left and right motion on the right joystick controls the bucket. You can see here we're about to try to attempt to pick up the pickle. Could I possibly pick up the pickle? I'm not sure. We'll find out. Stay tuned. Is it even possible? I think it's tough enough if I can get on it right. I can make this happen. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. So let's try this again. Oh, maybe later. Okay, let me show you how it performs in wet sand. This is place sand that was wet. It was still in the bag. We just dumped it out. And it hasn't had time to dry up yet, or dry out yet. So we're just going to go ahead and climb into this tray and see what happens. Most units I've tested haven't fared well in the wet sand or dry sand. They just get all glitchy and start clicking, and it doesn't work. They don't want to move anymore. This one, it keeps on going. I don't love it, but it actually moves around. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to suffer through my learning experience on this, trying to figure out all the motions, because it's so new to me. It's taken me a minute to figure it out, but it didn't take too long. Just give yourself a few minutes to figure out the controls and you'll get it. Anyway, I run into a rock as soon as I get started. I hit some rocks in there for real world experience type situation. I'm going to continue to keep digging for a little while here, and then we're going to go back to the pickle and try to pick up the pickle. Now, if you guys are interested in one of these, this is a perfect time for me to let you know that I am affiliated now with Amazon and YouTube, so all the items that are tagged are I'm affiliated with, so I will receive a commission if you make a purchase through my links. So I'd appreciate it if you do so. If you don't, that's fine as well. Keep coming back and watching my content. Doesn't matter. But anyway, just wanted to get that out there. So let's move on here. This thing has, I mentioned it has the lead screw system, which makes it very strong. It can do It can lift its own body weight. I've tested that. It can lift itself right up, no problem. Alright, here we go. Another attempt on the pickle. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Try harder the next time. Can I do it? Maybe. Let's see. You got this, come on. Look at there, got it. Got the pickle in the bucket. Yay. Just if you don't succeed the first time, try again and you just might succeed. Just like me on the pickle challenge. I managed to pick up the pickle. Can you pick up a pickle too? Sure you can. Alright guys, that's pretty awesome. I like it. It's approved by me. I would definitely recommend you use this indoors over outdoors. I'd keep it nice and clean and use it for a desk hobby item so you didn't have to get it all nasty. But it can perform in the dirt if that's what you prefer. Take it out in the dirt. Just gonna have to keep it cleaned up each time after each use outside, and definitely want to take it apart and clean it. But if you have an air compressor available, blow it off with that and that should do the trick. I didn't have too much trouble cleaning it. I just used a Bristol brush and it worked just fine for me. Get all the sand out of the tracks and all the little gears and stuff. But do note that the spring-loaded part will come apart, so just be aware of that, so you don't lose any pieces. There's the pulley system or the roller system, and then there's a spring, so you have one of each on each side. So here I'm showing you how to change the tracks. You just press in from the front roller to the back, just like so, and you can put it back on just the same way. Just squeeze the front roller backward because it's spring loaded there, and then it'll force the track forward so it'll stay in place once you get it locked in, just like that. Now we have both of the tracks changed. We went from rubber tracks to metal tracks, that easy. In less than a minute, I do believe. Look at there. Looks like a champ. Feels more professional already. Feels more like the real thing. This thing does have some pretty good weight to it. I haven't weighed it yet, but we'll have to do that eventually. I'm guessing it's maybe a couple pounds, a pound or two. Feels pretty heavy. I know the bucket's metal, the tracks are metal, but I'm not sure if any of the body's metal or not. Some of it kind of feels like it, but I'm not positive. Man, this thing works great. You get the full rotation, full 360 plus. I'm not sure if it will continue all the way around at 360 rotation, but it sure seems like it would. I haven't had it to click or anything, but I didn't want to push my luck. Look at there, it lifts its own weight, no problem. And it'll hold it because of the screw drive system. There I'm showing you the on and off switch. That's where it's located, underneath the carriage. There's the on position. You can turn off the lights and turn them back on, and you can also do the same with the sound. It has a realistic sound feature. Sounds like the actual machine working when you go through all the functions. Nice caution light, works really well, and your little headlights on the boom helps you to see what you're picking up really well. Very cool. You need to make it a FPV and see what you're digging from first-person view with some goggles. If you're interested, guys, I'm going to leave you a link in the description and in the comments. I'm going to pin a comment with the link in it for my Amazon affiliate. And then there also, it will be auto tagged, some of the items will be. So just be aware of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and keep coming back. If you haven't, please like and subscribe this video, and hit that notification bell so you'll be in the loop for the future videos coming. We're doing an Airwolf RC helicopter next. It's a GPS version, has a return to home feature, auto takeoff and landing, even has an inverted flight feature. Very cool. I'm excited about it. I used to watch Airwolf on the TV when I was growing up as a kid. So it's going to be interesting to get the RC hobby helicopter and get to fly it, especially with the GPS version. It's very neat. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for being here, and continue to help me grow my channel, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace. Bye.